Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope everybody is fine and all of you are doing really good. In today's video, we have come to Dubai Gold Souk, and honestly, this place does not look like a gold market. I don't know. Whenever I go there, the designs of the walls and like all the streets, everything, the environment, it feels like like the ancient. Some kind of I feel like that. Like all the designs and everything are done like that. It feels really calming and not at all a very busy place. But yeah, one thing we have to agree that it's so hot. But the main aim we came here today is that today you remember that I had pierced my ears, and today we have come here to buy earrings for me. My Abu said that I really have to take really light earrings because I have new piercings and my ears will have infection if I can't bear heavy earrings. So I said okay, so I just got like some small ring earrings for now, and then after some days, not days, after some months, I'll get some new ones. But for now, I just got a simple one. Anyway, the market, as you can see, so many gold shops and so much gold. Wherever we went, we could just see gold. So much. And after that, oh, I think I'll show you when I reach home my earrings. But after that, it was getting really late, so we thought we'll take our dinner from outside. We had biryani and chicken and a lot of things. We ate everything and finally we came home. Dinner was also really good. Today's day was really good. I bought these earrings, like I told, these were really light. And that's all for today. I hope you liked this video and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.